Hello guys, welcome back. You might know I have 4 discus fish and I'm going to buy another one very soon. My real intention of keeping them is to breed them, but I am beginner at this. Now some of you people ask me how to keep discus aquarium clean or cleaning discus aquarium. As you can see here, I am keeping the discus in bare bottom tanks. That makes the cleaning lot easier. Here a lot of waste have added up as I feed the discus tetrabits and worm cubes daily. So to clean them easily, first you need a hose pipe, a meter long or long enough to reach the hose and aquarium. Now attach the hose one end to the hose holder as you can see here. Put the hose end to the aquarium with the length long enough to reach the bottom and attach the hose holder to the aquarium rim. Attach another end of the hose to the tap supply and open the water tap. This makes the water to go into the aquarium. Now once the little water is filled in the aquarium, close the tap water and release the hose connection from the tap. This will make the water to come out from the aquarium if one end of the hose is at lower position than the aquarium. Use this vacuuming water flow to clean the aquarium waste formed by moving the hose around the waste. Once all waste is removed from the aquarium, and for discus aquarium, when 25% water is removed, you can refill the aquarium with water. You can do it by simply reattaching the hose to the tap supply and reversing the water flow into the aquarium. When water reaches the top level, close the tap supply and take the hose end out of the aquarium first and remove the hose from the tap supply. That is common sense and does not need to be explained. If you take the hose end near the tap water first, water will again flow out of the aquarium. When water is filled completely, the aquarium is cleaned and does not need cleaning in about 5 days or a week. My discus are pretty shy right now. They are hiding behind the decors. This might probably due to the water change. Some of the discus also have developed pigmentation due to this hiding. Also I have planted aquarium now filled with 2 mollies. I will update about these mollies and planted aquarium in the next videos. That's it for this video. Do tell me about the next video you want to watch. Like and share this video and subscribe to watch the upcoming video. Until next time, check out my channel for top list videos. So bye and take care and thanks for watching.